Hey there, HISD. We've got plenty coming your way. Big games this weekend. Shout outs to our amazing educators of the year, a spotlight on Thompson Elementary's success, and a sneak peek at what's next at Wisdom High School. Plus, we'll check out a cool community bike ride at Sinclair Elementary, a garden makeover at Bonham, and an important event for families of bilingual students that's happening tomorrow. Remember, you can skip around to any story with the chapters below. It is Friday, October 10th. Well, best of luck to our student athletes this weekend. We're keeping an eye on some games of the week. Tomorrow, Sterling takes on Madison at Barnett Stadium. Kickoff is at 6 p.m. Also tomorrow, it's Yates versus North Forest at Butler Stadium. That one's a day game. Kickoff is at noon. And there's more. Athletic Director Andre Walker stopped by our studios to talk about these matchups, plus updates on tennis, water polo, and more. That full conversation is up on our YouTube channel and also on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget, you can find all game schedules online at houstonisd.org under Athletics. Big shout out to HISD's district-wide Educators of the Year, Cynthia Guerrero from Fondren Elementary and Laura Klein from Black Middle School. They were recognized at last night's board meeting for their outstanding leadership and dedication to student success. And just over a week ago, we celebrated these honorees and all our campus teachers of the year at our Educator of the Year event. Now, unlike most districts, we kick off the year by celebrating educators in a big way with this special event. That video is also up on the channel right now. And speaking of great teachers, here's some exciting news to share. Teachers who are making the biggest impact on student success are staying in HISD. Now, in case you missed it, Superintendent Mike Miles broke down the new teacher effectiveness and retention data live on our YouTube channel. That video is now posted on the channel. Continuing our commitment to excellence, we've been shining a spotlight on Thompson Elementary this week for our Campus Close-Up series. And let me tell you what a wonderful and uplifting school community this is. Now, today's story takes you inside the school with a look at their vibrant pre-K program and much more. I also spoke with current and former administrators about the school's success. And Principal Moore made it clear they're aiming for top-tier excellence. That story is up on all our socials. And you can find every story from this week in the Thompson Elementary playlist on our YouTube channel. And next week, we're heading to Wisdom High School. Now, I already had the chance to talk with Principal Bush, and we covered a lot. From their vibrant CTE programs to dance and band, their award-winning ROTC, and so much more. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss those stories next week. Well, this morning in Houston's South Side, dedicated workers rolled up their sleeves to give Bonham Elementary a fresh new look. They spent the morning cleaning school grounds, refreshing garden beds, and spreading mulch on the playground. The school was chosen for this beautification effort as part of a larger district-wide initiative. The goal is to create a more welcoming and vibrant space for students to learn and play.
The senior leadership team decided that they wanted to do one. Actually, the Chief Operations Officer, Alicia Jolivet, said, hey, let's do a Adopt a Campus. So we all voted. We put a bunch of campuses on a whiteboard. Bonner won the vote, so we all thought that Bonner could use some TLC, so that's why we're here today.
This project means a lot to us, because at the NES campus, we have different activities and different classes that this is taught outside. For example, diario, we have diario garden, that it is taking place outside. So this enhances a lot the learning in our students, and also our staff coming to a beautified place. It means a lot for them and also for our community to bring their kids to a place that it is beautiful.
Bell Elementary held a beautiful community celebration for Hispanic Heritage Month. A big shout out to the Bell parents for decorating the school and helping to organize this event. Now, students put on traditional dance performances that received a big applause. They also got to enjoy food, music, bounce houses, and much more. School leaders say that events like these are so important for their community.
What you're seeing is a community and a school coming together. We've been needing a serious gathering of this magnitude to make sure that we really galvanize our connection. It's important that our community understands that we're not just a school that's here in the middle of the community. We're truly a part of the community. And I think that events like this really help to show that.
And check it out, Sinclair Elementary streets were buzzing with bike riders this morning for the school's annual Bike to School Day. It's a collaborative effort between the school and local police, all to raise awareness about bike safety and staying active. Shout out to the Sinclair Elementary's PTO for this video. And before we go, a reminder for families of emergent bilingual students. Tomorrow, HISD is hosting this event. It's a day filled with resources, kids activities, door prizes, and info sessions, all designed to support your students' success. It's tomorrow at Wisdom High School from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. First session starts at 10 a.m. Look for this flyer on our socials and scan that QR code to register. Well, that does it for us this week on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching and staying connected with us. We'll see you next week right here on HISD Now. Have a good weekend.